Cicadas, cicadas everywhere. Cicada Palooza. A lot of them left. They de-shelled and took off. And there's a bunch of them on the ground. Hi guys. Oh, you got some messed up wings, dude. Hey buddy. Well, your eyes aren't as red as the other guy's eyes. Huh. You got messed up leaves too. I mean wings. Leaves. Wings. Oh, they're all on the back of the fence too. Wow. Tonight'll be another night. They'll be coming out of the ground. Let's go check the trees. Yep, they're all coming out the ground again. He's a big boy. Huh. Put him on the fence with the rest of the guys. Uh-oh. Here, bud. No, you gotta get off my hand. Alright. This isn't working. Gotta let go. Hold on tight. There's more. Everywhere you step. Shiro, stop eating them. No eating them. Don't eat the cicadas. Oh, there's another one. Oh, where'd he go? There he is. And more. And another one. Holy mackerel. Another one. And another one. And another one. I think I found the bullseye, which is where a tree used to be. A big giant tree. So I think these are all coming up from they buried themselves here 17 years ago thinking this is where the tree would be, but it's not here anymore. And this is where I got most of them last night. They are everywhere. Here comes some. Come on, dude, you can make it. Oh, there's some that didn't make it. And there's one struggling. Look at all of them. Gee whiz. Look, more. Here's one that's de-shelling on a grass leaf. There's one that's making his way out. And there's more over there. They're just everywhere. Let's check the tree. You can see all the holes in the ground from where they came up. Except the weird thing is they're not on the trees. Whoa, look at all those holes. They're not on the trees. Jeez, oh flip. So, there's so many holes. I don't want to step on any of them. Shiro, I don't want to step on them. There's so many. Tiptoe through, whoever thought you had to tiptoe through grass? Don't eat them. You're gonna get sick. Don't eat them. Alright, I'm going to end this recording because he's gorging on cicadas. I feel so bad for these ones that thought a tree was here, but it's not anymore. Oh, I don't want to step. Alright, I'm going.